Hey there and welcome to You Can Uke, where each week I'm releasing new song tutorials so that you can learn how to play the ukulele with success. So if you don't want to miss a lesson, then hit that subscribe button, like this video, and get ready to play Sweet Home Alabama by Lynyrd Skynyrd. Now before we can play this song, we first need to make sure that our ukulele is in the standard tuning of G, C, E, A. By the way, if you need help tuning your ukulele, then make sure that you check out my online ukulele tuner video. Next, there's 3 chords that we need to know in order to play this song, and those chords are D major, C major, and G major. If you already know those 3 chords, then great job. Feel free to skip ahead to the later portion of this lesson. So the first chord that we're going to learn is D major. To play that, take your second finger, press down on the 4th string of the 2nd fret, take your 3rd finger, press down on the 3rd string of the 2nd fret, and then take your 4th finger and press down on the 2nd string of the 2nd fret. This is D major. The next chord that we're going to learn is C major. To play that, just take your 3rd finger and press down on the 1st string of the 3rd fret. This is C major. And our last chord for this song is G major. To play that, take your 1st finger, press down on the 3rd string of the 2nd fret, take your 2nd finger, press down on the 1st string of the 2nd fret, and then take your 3rd finger and press down on the 2nd string of the 3rd fret. This is G major. Now we're going to learn the chord progression for this song. It's pretty simple, and it's just going to be D major for 4 beats, C major for 4 beats, and G major for 8 beats. Let's play through that chord progression now by ringing out each chord. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next, we're going to learn the strumming pattern for this song. It's just going to be down, 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 pause up. Let's play through that strumming pattern now on the D major chord. Down, 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 pause up, down, 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 pause up, down, 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 pause up, down, 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 pause up. And now let's add the chord progression with the strumming pattern. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and. One last thing that you should know is that when you're looping through that strumming pattern, you're going to emphasize the 3rd down strum. It should sound something like this. Down, down, strong, pause up, down, down, strong, pause up, down, down, strong, pause up, down, down, strong, pause up. Now that we know the chords, the chord progression, and the strumming pattern, let's put it all together with the lyrics and play through Sweet Home Alabama. Well, I heard Mr. Young sing about her. Well, I heard old Neil put her down. Well, I hope Neil Young will remember, so the man don't need him around anyhow. Sweet Home Alabama, where the skies are so blue. Sweet Home Alabama, now, if you want to play through the rest of that song, then go down to my description box below and click on the link to access the chord chart. And that's how you play Sweet Home Alabama by Lynyrd Skynyrd. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope it brings you success in learning how to play the ukulele. Again, don't forget to subscribe, and as always, keep practicing and keep playing because you can uke.